Crows, the geniuses of the bird world. Crows are not just ordinary birds, they are among the smartest animals on Earth. Belonging to the corvid family, which includes ravens and magpies, crows have intelligence that rivals that of primates. One of the most remarkable abilities of crows is facial recognition. They can remember human faces for years and distinguish between friendly and dangerous people. Even more impressive, crows communicate this information to other crows, effectively warning their community about threats. Crows are also expert tool users. They have been observed bending wires into hooks to retrieve food, dropping nuts on roads so cars can crack them open, and saving tools for later use. This shows not only problem-solving skills but also planning for the future, a rare trait in the animal kingdom. Emotionally, crows form strong family bonds. They mate for life and often stay with their parents for several years, helping raise younger siblings. When a crow cries, others gather around